Next question. Consider the following activities. How many of above activities are often considered and discussed for carbon capture and carbon sequestration? 3 activities are given. All 3 are correct. Now take the first one, that spreading finely ground basalt rock on farmlands extensively. This statement is correct. Now see, this is our geography part 1 book for IS Prelims 2023. On page number 198, there was a topic on carbon farming. Here it is mentioned in this topic that potential sequestration alternatives to carbon farming include scrubbing carbon dioxide from air with machines, and in this para it is mentioned that crushing and spreading types of rocks such as basalt that absorb the atmospheric carbon. This fact is mentioned here. Therefore, the statement 1 is correct. Second is that increasing the alkalinity of oceans by adding lime. This statement is also correct. Now go to our environment book, page number 77. Environment book for IS Prelims 2023, page number 77. On this page, there is a full topic on carbon sequestration. Here it is mentioned. Carbon dioxide may be captured as a pure byproduct in the processes related to petroleum refining. Carbon sequestration includes the storage part of carbon capture and storage, which refers to large-scale and permanent artificial capture and sequestration of industrially produced carbon dioxide using a subsurface, saline aquifers, reservoirs, ocean water, aging oil fields, and other carbon sinks. Here it is mentioned that carbon sequestration through biological processes affects the global carbon cycle, and such processes created fossil fuels as well as clathrate or limestone. By manipulating such processes, geoengineers seek to enhance sequestration, that is by using this limestone. Therefore, statement 2 is also correct, that increasing the alkalinity of waters and oceans by adding lime. Third statement is that capturing carbon released by various industries and pumping it into the abundant subterranean mines, that is underground reservoir, in the form of carbonated waters. We have already read this para, that this technique, it involves sequestration of industrially produced carbon dioxide using subsurface saline aquifers, reservoirs, ocean water, aging oil fields, and other carbon sinks. And here it is mentioned that the process of removing carbon from the atmosphere and depositing it in a reservoir, that is mines. The process of carbon capture and storage where carbon dioxide is removed, such as on power stations, before being stored in underground reservoirs, that is mines. Therefore, statement 3rd is also correct, 2nd is also correct, 1st is also correct. All 3 are correct. C is the answer, and this question is solved.